Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make a ghost laptop. A ghost laptop is essentially a highly secure and private computing environment, stripped down to its bare essentials. It is designed to minimize your digital footprint and maximize your anonymity. This process involves careful preparation, a clean operating system installation, and meticulous configuration. We will cover everything from backing up your data to maintaining your system for long-term security and privacy. Before you begin creating your ghost laptop, thorough preparation is key. First, back up all your important files and documents to an external storage device, ensuring nothing is lost. Next, acquire a fresh operating system installation medium, such as a bootable USB drive, for your preferred OS. Verify that your laptop's hardware meets the operating system's minimum specifications. Finally, download and save all essential device drivers for your laptop model to a separate drive. Now, let's move on to the core installation and hardening. Begin by performing a completely clean installation of your chosen operating system, wiping the previous data. During this process, be selective and install only the absolutely essential software you need. Immediately after installation, dive into the system settings to disable all telemetry and privacy-invasive features. Furthermore, install a powerful firewall and meticulously configure its rules to restrict outbound connections, enhancing your system's security. Maintaining your ghost laptop's integrity is an ongoing process. Always keep your operating system and all installed applications fully updated to patch any security vulnerabilities. For enhanced privacy, consistently route all your internet traffic through a reputable virtual private network. Make it a habit to regularly review your system's privacy settings and the list of installed software for any unauthorized changes. Finally, employ encrypted storage solutions for any sensitive files, adding an extra layer of protection.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.